Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So as we all know that we are going to start online classes from today onwards. So now let's start with the lesson called Helen Keller. This lesson we have already discussed. We have learned this in our offline classes. ये lesson हमने already पढ़ा हुआ है, हमने सीखा हुआ है. We have learnt it. We have already learnt it. Okay. So we all know that this story is about हेलन केलर जो एक बच्ची रहती है. आफ्टर गेटिंग बॉर्न आफ्टर फ्यू ईयर्स शी बिकम्स ब्लाइंड एंड डेफ. ब्लाइंड मीन्स अंधे होना, डेफ मीन्स बहरे हो जाना. सो शी बिकम्स ब्लाइंड एंड डेफ व्हेन शी वॉज वेरी इल. सो आफ्टर दैट what happens, we have learnt it, and we also learned that her mother Helen is, even though she is blind and deaf, she is very intelligent, very smart. And then one day her mother gets a teacher Miss Sullivan for Helen to make her understand the language or to learn new things. So Miss Sullivan is her teacher, her trainer, who is very strict but very kind with Helen. Okay, Miss Sullivan is very strict, yet she is very kind to Helen. She teaches Helen different kinds of words, how she spells those words on her hand. Helen तो blind है, deaf भी है, उसको सुनाई नहीं देता, उसको दिखाई नहीं देता. Blind means दिखाई ना देना, deaf means सुनाई ना देना. So how does she learn this? She learns through sign language. Miss Sullivan teaches the language, teaches words on her hand. उसको कैसे सिखाती है words? उसके हाथ पर साइंस बना के. So I have already taught you this also. Okay. So what kind of words she learns? First she learns doll. How does she learn it? Miss Sullivan makes her touch the doll and then she spells that word on her hand. पहले मिस सुलिवन उसको डॉल को टच कराती है, उसको दिखाती है कि डॉल कैसी रहती है, उसको टच कराती है, महसूस कराती है, फील कराती है. एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑन हर हैंड शी स्पेल्स the word doll, DOLL. So these are the sign language that we have already discussed, seen and also tried. So then after that she teaches her the word called water. कैसे सिखाती है उसको? She keeps her hand under running water के नीचे उसका ऐसे हाथ डालती है एंड उसको समझाती है कि ये क्या है, वाटर. सो हेलन कम्स टू नो व्हाट वाटर इज़. पहले तो उसको रनिंग वाटर के नीचे हाथ ऐसे रखती है. देन आफ्टर सम टाइम शी स्पेल्स दैट वर्ड ऑन हर हैंड. देन हेलन कम्स टू नो दैट वाटर इज समथिंग चिल्ड, वेट. ओके. सो दिस इज हाउ हेलन लर्न्स मैनी वर्ड्स. मिस सुलिवन जो है हेलन को बहुत सारे वर्ड्स लर्न कराती है. आफ्टर दैट हेलन कम्स टू नो दैट वर्ड्स आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड. हेलन को क्या रियलाइज होता है? वर्ड्स आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड. ओके. सो दिस थिंग वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न. दिस वॉज जस्ट अ रिविजन. हमने ये ऑलरेडी सीखा हुआ है. ओके. सो दिस ऑल्सो वी ट्राइड इन आवर क्लास. So now we are going to discuss question answers. I said discuss because I will send you the pictures of answers. It will be easy for you to write. I will just now discuss. अभी मैं सिर्फ discuss करूँगी. Now we will just discuss the question answers. In picture format I will send you the answer because in video it will be tough for you to pause and write. आपको वीडियो पॉज कर लिखने के लिए परेशानी होगी, इसलिए now I will just discuss these question answers, and after that in the evening I'll send you question answers. Okay. So it will be easy for you to write. Picture देख के आप लिख लेना. So see here, first question is, something is wrong, said Helen's mother. What was wrong with Helen? When Helen was a child, she was very ill. So her mom comes to know that something is wrong with Helen. जब हेलन पैदा हुई थी तब वो ठीक ठाक थी. जब वो बीमार हुई, she became ill, and when she was recovering, उसकी मम्मी को लगता है, जैसे हर मम्मियों को पता चलता है कि अब अपने बच्चे को कब बुखार आया है, कब सर्दी हुई है. उसके मम्मी को भी पता चल जाता है मेरे बच्चे को कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई है. सो हर मदर कम्स टू नो दैट समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विथ हेलन. सो शी tells her father, Helen's father, that something is wrong. So what was wrong with Helen? Yes, Helen could not see or could not hear. Helen had become blind and deaf. Helen को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था and उसको सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा था. She had become blind and deaf. So this was wrong with her. Although Helen could not hear or see, what kind of girl was she? Helen को तो सुनाई नहीं देता था, ना ही दिखाई देता था. But वो कैसी लड़की थी? Even though she was blind and she was deaf, what kind of girl she was? Yes, she was very smart and she was very intelligent. Even though she could not see or could not hear, she was an intelligent girl. She was an intelligent girl and she was a smart girl. वो इंटेलिजेंट और क्या थी? स्मार्ट थी. वो जल्दी जल्दी वर्ड सीखती थी. Who agreed to help Helen? हेलन को हेल्प करने के लिए कौन मान गया? Yes, Miss Sullivan. Miss Sullivan agreed to help Helen. Miss Sullivan was her trainer, her teacher. She agreed to help Helen. How did Miss Sullivan help Helen? Miss Sullivan ने हेलन को कैसे हेल्प किया? Miss Helen spelled many words. She introduced many words to Helen. She taught her many words through hand sign language, right? Miss Sullivan ने हेलन को कैसे हेल्प किया? उसने उसको बहुत सारे वर्ड सिखाए. How? With the help of sign language on her hand. She spelled many words on Helen's hand. हेलन के हैंड पे उसने साइन लैंग्वेज से क्या सिखाया उसको? स्पेलिंग सिखाए, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स सिखाए, उसको समझाया कि ये वर्ड क्या है, ये चीज़ क्या है, राइट? What did Helen learn when the teacher put her hand into running water? What did Helen learn when her teacher put her into running water? What did she learn? Helen learned that this thing is called water. This thing is water. जब running water means बहते पानी में हेलन के टीचर ने उसका हाथ डाला तो हेलन को क्या समझ में आया कि ये जो बहती हुई चीज़ है, ठंडी गीली गीली चीज़ है, ये क्या है? इट इज़ वाटर. WATER वाटर. इट इज़ WATER वाटर. सो whenever next time she wants something, how will she tell to her mother? हेलन सुन नहीं सकती, देख नहीं सकती, इसका मतलब उसको वर्ड्स भी नहीं आते. इट मीन्स शी कैनॉट talk also, she cannot tell also. So how will she tell her mother that she wants water? With sign language, right? So this is how she came to know that this running thing is called as water. What was the most important thing that Helen finally understood? Helen को आखिर में क्या realize हुआ? क्या वो important thing है जो उसको समझे? Yes, she understood that words are the most important thing in the world, in life. जो words रहते हैं हमारी ज़िंदगी में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण things रहते हैं, right? It is very important to communicate, to express ourselves. बिना words के क्या हम खुद को express कर सकते हैं? क्या कुछ चीज़ें मांग सकते हैं? No. Words are important thing in our life. So these things also we have learnt already. So you need to make this sign. You need to spell this word CHEK, check, and then you need to make hand signs of Helen and was. Now this also I have already taught you. How do people cannot see read? जो लोग देख नहीं सकते वो रीड कैसे करते हैं? Yes, they can read. I have already told you. How do they read? They read with the help of Braille system. This I explained you, right, while teaching. Braille system से read करते हैं. I'll send you picture also. उनकी एक script रहती है. See, what is the script for children who cannot see? That script is called as Braille. It is called as Braille. उनकी एक script रहती है जो वो touch करके words पढ़ते हैं. It is not easy for them. Like it is easy for you also. You know, you can read it very easily. But those people cannot see. That's why they will have a book in which Braille letters will be there. In that they will read by touching each and every script, each and every letter. Okay, how do you think you can help children who cannot see? So how can you help children who cannot see? जो बच्चे देख नहीं सकते उनको आप कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं? First of all, you can give them braille book. Second, you can help them by first of all teaching their sign language. Okay, पहले तो उनकी साइन लैंग्वेज सीख कर उनके साथ बात कर सकते हैं. You can become friends with them. Otherwise, whenever they are in some need, you can help them. You can take them somewhere. You can do their work. Look at the signs for the letters of the alphabets. Now, you need to do this. Okay, you need to try this. Okay, so if you learn this, it will be very nice. Because if you ever meet a person who cannot see, अगर लाइफ में अगर आप ये सीखते हैं अभी एंड आगे जाकर आपको कोई ब्लाइंड और डेफ इंसान मिलता है, ब्लाइंड इंसान मिलता है, you can talk to that person using this sign language. Okay, so it will never go waste. You can learn it. So here is an exercise. Match the two parts of sentences under column A and under column B. Add but to join the words. Join the two parts and write complete sentence. See, Helen lived after her illness, but she could not hear or see. So you need to add a but in between. I'll send the answer in pictures also. I'm just telling you how to do it. Helen lived after her illness. Helen अपनी बीमारी के बाद भी बच गई, but लेकिन she could not hear और see, लेकिन वो देख नहीं पा रही थी और सुन नहीं पा रही थी. She could not see or hear, वो देख नहीं सकती थी या सुन नहीं सकती थी, but she was very intelligent, लेकिन वो बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट लड़की थी. People thought that she could not learn anything, लोगों को लगा कि वो कुछ सीख नहीं पाएगी, but her mother thought she could learn, उसकी मम्मी को लगा कि वो सब सीख सकती है. Helen copied the words, but she did not understand what she was doing. पहले तो हेलन ने कॉपी किया वर्ड्स को हाथ पे, लेकिन उसको पता ही नहीं था. She could not understand what she was doing, कि वो क्या कर रही है. Miss Sullivan was strict. मिस सुलिवन बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट थी, but she was kind to Helen, लेकिन वो हेलन से बहुत ही काइंड थी, बहुत ही अच्छी थी, उसकी बहुत हेल्प करती थी. Okay, so this you need to write here. I'll send you the answers in the image format. So in next class we'll see the next part. So I hope you have understood this. So I request all the children to do the online classes properly. Do not miss any class. Watch the video again and again. If you don't understand, do not forward it. वीडियो को फॉरवर्ड करके मत देखो, आराम से देखो, कोई घाई नहीं है, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, आराम से देखो, आराम से सुनो. एंड देन आई विल सेंड यू पिक्चर्स. राइट दोज आंसर्स इन योर बुक. ओके, and if you have any questions, you can text me or call me in school time. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, take care.